Did you know that 9 experienced hikers once cut their way out of their tent in deadly cold and ran barefoot into a blizzard? And no one knows why? February 1959, the Ural Mountains in Russia. 9 expert hikers set up camp on a snowy slope. These weren't beginners. They were seasoned mountaineers who knew how to survive. But something went terribly wrong that night. Rescuers found their tent sliced open from the inside. The hikers had cut their way out and fled into minus 30-degree weather. Some were barefoot, some were barely dressed. All 9 were found dead. But here's where it gets disturbing. 3 bodies had horrific injuries. Missing eyes, missing tongues, crushed skulls. Their clothes tested positive for radiation. The government immediately classified the case and banned people from the area for 3 years. What could make experienced survivalists abandon their shelter and run into certain death? The official cause was listed as unknown compelling force. 60 years later, the Dyatlov Pass incident remains one of history's most chilling unsolved mysteries. 9 people knew something we'll never know.